Hi guys, welcome back to Henry Family TV. HENRYS Family TV. How are you doing today? Is it okay where you are, or is it going so far? Thank God for another day. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to cook some, I show you here, some veggies, okay, with my saltfish. Can you see, guys? Saltfish. Okay, I have some callaloo here. I have some callaloo here, carrots, and this I say is like lettuce, so I'm gonna still put it in it. And I have cabbage here. Okay, all right. So follow me as I go. All right, guys. I'm gonna. This is my callaloo from my backyard. Okay, guys. So I'm going. I start picking them already. So look at as I go, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, guys. This is how I pick my callaloo. And I'm cooking from Canada. Okay? Where are you cooking from? Okay, guys. This is how I pick my callaloo. And there's anything here, I just pick it off. So I start picking off them already. So most of them is already picked off. Okay, but I'm just showing you how I do it. And if there's any seed here, like this, I have different types of callaloo. This is a purple one. So today is vegetable day. No meat. Look at it, guys. These have been picked already. The fridge was too high, so it burned it. Okay. And we have to store them in the fridge, refrigerator. You cut the seed like out like this. Okay, guys. And then I'll wash. But I'm going to do my. Oh, there's one more here. My carrots. You don't have to peel, guys. You can just scrape it like this. I don't peel my carrot. I scrape it. Can you see it, guys? And I'm going to cook it with rice and peas today. I have some cooked peas with coconut milk in my refrigerator. So I have it now on the stove where I'm going to show you I'm going to cook the rice. But I just cook the rice, the peas. Okay, let I show you. Let me finish and then I show you. I wasn't sure of what I was going to cook, but then I changed my mind and said, why not cook some rice and peas? Okay, guys. And over here, I finally decided I'm going to put the rice and peas. Okay, guys. So I scrape it like this. This is how I scrape it. Okay. And I have my cabbage here. Okay, guys. My cabbage and my lettuce here. So I'm going to show you how I wash my stuff here. Okay. Just watch as I go, guys. So I'm going on the other side now. Let's show it. Okay. So my water is boiling. I have a piece of saltfish. I'm going to put the saltfish on the veggies. So here's my pot. My water is boiling. Okay, guys. You can see. Look at it, guys. See my saltfish here. This is my peas and coconut milk, which already been boiled, right? So I'm just turning down the fire until I'm ready to put the rice in. So I'm going to show you how I wash my veggies. There, guys. And I have my salt. I have my salt here where I wash my veggies in. I use warm water. That's how I wash my veggies. Piece by piece. And as I say, if you don't have a running water, you put it in that side of the sink or a basin. Let me show you properly how I do it. You can see it properly? Right. Wash your veggies. So sometimes there's worm in it. And I have my salt. Second washing. And I'm cooking from Canada and I'm a Jamaican. Okay, guys? Washing my callaloo now. My cabbage. Just a little piece of cabbage. This is my callaloo. This is my carrot. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put some salt in my water now. Okay, I'm going to clean the sink and put some salt in. Make sure my sink is clean. I'm going to put some salt in it. Wash my veggies. That's how I do it, guys. And I wash here. My carrots. Okay. Callaloo are not big, but they can be used. And see, guys? So I put them in my stuff here. See, guys? So it's all wash. It's all wash, guys. So I'm going to cut it for you to see. So let me clean my area first. And if you want to wash it 2, 3, 4 times, fine. Okay, guys? So let me show you now how I cut my veggies. Look inside, guys. Oops, that must fall. Must fall, guys. This is my veggie on this side now. So I have my big knife here. It's my cabbage. Okay. This is how I cut it, guys. So my rice pot is ready almost to put the rice in, and my saltfish is cooking over there. All of my base having something, guys. I have to use a small one for now. See, guys, that's my lettuce. You can put it to drain off instead of using a lot of water. So what I do, I cut it like this and put it like this. So I cut it. So you can just do it like this, guys. Put it here. See, guys. I should have put it in a big basin, but all of my basin having something, so I have to use these small ones. Just cut your veggies like this and let them drain. And if you want to wash it 5, 4, 6 times, no problem. Use the time that you have. But I always wash mine before. But I'm just showing you how I wash them. You want to wash it 2 times, 3 times, no problem. But make sure you wash it more than 1 time. Three times is good enough to wash your veggies. Okay, guys, if you want to wash, no problem. So I just fold mine because they are not big. So I just fold it like this. Guys, I did not plan to cook any rice, but I end up cooking rice. I'll be cooking rice today. Okay, guys. And you can fold it like this. When you have busy on the go, you can fold it like this and do like this. You can do like this, guys. This is my callaloo. Careful while you're cutting with your knife. See, guys. So it's finished now. It's finished. That's my carrots. So I have this one here, and this one here. So this is my carrot now. I'm just going to cut it like this. You can cut in whatever size you want, but this is, I love to cut it this way still. You have to be careful of the knife, guys. So my saltfish is boiling away. To get the salt out, I have to put it to soak like in the morning or overnight. Okay, guys, so this is my carrots. So let me get my pot ready. It's mine. Okay, guys. This is it, guys. I'm going to cook veggies with saltfish. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing my channel to watch. Okay, just follow as I go. Okay. So, guys, my pot is ready for my veggies. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put it in. Let us see. Let's see, guys. Tip a little water in the pot. No oil. Just water. If you want to put some coconut milk in it, fine. You can see, guys, steaming my veggies. Guys, don't allow your veggies to spoil in your refrigerator because they are easily spoiled. So don't let them spoil. Okay, guys? And I'm going to cover my pot. Okay, guys, you can see it? Okay. This is the way how I cook my veggies. Sometimes my pot is all filled. There's water. So guys, I have to stay there. You can see there. Okay, guys. If I keep turning it, you're going to spill, so I leave it alone. I have a pot here. It's not its cover, but you can cover it, guys. You can see. All right. So I'm going to get my rice ready to put in. So let me show you what I'm going to do now. It's already been boiled, as I say. I put some more water in it. And as I say, I don't use margarine or butter or nothing. So I just make my put some water in it. I let my rice soft. Not soft, but I like it a bit soft. Fluffy and nice. I'm going to put some salt in it, guys. My regular pig salt. So a little salt. Put salt to your taste. And this guy, I have this here, is my rosemary, cloves, and thyme. I boil it, steam it, or whatever, strain it off, put it in my fridge. So after I'm finished, when I'm cooking, whenever time I'm cooking, I just pour it in. Okay, instead of having these sticks and leaves and whatever, I just put it in, pour it in like this. So it's rosemary, cloves, and thyme. You can try it. Instead of having the sticks and the leaves or whatever to encounter with after, I just put it in like that. Okay, guys, so I'm going to taste. Let you see. And you see, guys? Okay, it's all ready. I was going to cook in the rice cooker, but I said let it stay there. I want to show it on the stove. Okay, guys. I have a piece of scallion. So here's my scallion. If you want to put it in wholer, one whole scallion, no problem. I'm just going to do it like this. Just cut it in half. Okay, guys. So let me taste my pot for you to see. Remember, guys, taste your pot, please. Don't want it to be salt or too sweet. It's good to go, guys. Good to go. So I'm going to show you how I wash my rice. You see my vegetable is going down, guys. Okay. Shrinking. And you see, guys? Shrinking. But if you want to put some coconut milk in it, fine. See it's going down, guys? See? Okay, guys. Just watch as I go. No margarine, no butter, no oil. If you want to put all of those stuff, butter, margarine, oil, anything at all, you can do it. But I'm not going to put any in mine because I'm going to just use the saltfish. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So, guys, welcome back. I'm washing my rice now. This is how I wash my rice. After I wash, I strain that none of the rice grain does not throw away. And you wash your rice accordingly. But I love my rice to wash. You want to wash it 3, 4 times? No problem. As long as you have the water, wash your rice. Okay, guys? Wash your rice. Look at it, guys. I strain it like this. See, guys? That's how I do it. Look at it, guys. Okay. So my rice pot is ready and waiting on me. Okay. Get away the water. Do it like this. You can use your hands as we use our hands. Okay, guys? Let me get some water in this. This is my rice pot. This is the last of it. And guys, use your hands. Use your hands. Look at it, guys. Can you see? Just only the scallion you can see. I boil my thyme, my rosemary, and my cloves. So I just use the water. Okay, guys, you can see it? Okay. You're gonna cook. And you turn your gauge to whatever level you want. Okay? Normally when it start boiling up, we turn on the fire and let it stay there and steam. So I'm going to show you my veggies. Can you see, guys? Let me move my camera. See my veggies coming? See, guys? And then I put some onions and maybe scallion, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put some coconut milk. I have my coconut milk here, so I'm just going to put a little on it. You can see it? If you don't want to, fine. You don't have to use a lot of water, just a little bit. It's all there. You can see, guys? There you go. And I'm cooking from Canada. Okay, guys, where are you cooking from today? Drop a comment. Let me know where you're cooking from and how you cook your veggies. Okay, right, guys? So it's there steaming. I'm going to get my onions and my tomato to put in. Oh, I can put a little seasoning in there too. Okay, let me put just a little seasoning. Just a little all purpose. Not too salty because I'm going to put the saltfish in, guys. So you put whatever you want to put in yours. You can change it around by putting other stuff or whatever you want. So sometimes I change it around and put other stuff in it. But this is what how I want it today. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, make a comment, tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys? Guys, welcome back. This is my veggie. I put the angle on this side. Always hold your pot angle, guys. Let me put the camera a bit nearer. Let's see, guys. This is it. Out some more. You can see, guys. Okay. This is it, guys. This is it. So I'm going to put my. I'm going to put my seasoning and I'm going to put my saltfish in. So you put it in whatever time you want it to put it. Okay, guys. This is my saltfish. You can put it in whatever pieces you want, big, small. Okay, guys. This is my regular size. So this is my veggies. So it's callaloo, cabbage, lettuce. I have lettuce in there too. Saltfish, a little tip of coconut milk. If you want to put butter or more seasoning there, fine, guys. You see, guys? And remember to taste your pot, guys. Don't cook a salty food. So it's coming down to one finishing product now. Okay, guys? You put whatever you want to put in your veggies. And this is my rice pot going down. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe and to tell a friend, to tell another friend that Henry's Family TV is on. Cooking channel. Okay, guys? Cleaning, washing. Just about every little thing in the home, guys, are on the street. So remember, guys, to just keep watching, make a comment, share, like, give me a thumbs up, no man. Give me a thumbs up, man. Subscribe to my channel. So when I upload a video, you'll know. Okay, guys, just keep watching. Okay, guys, welcome back. This is my finished product now. Okay, my veggies. And if you have any meat or leftover, you can just put it in it, guys. Okay? And this is my rice and peas. So I'm going to let my daughter taste it and tell me how it tastes, guys. So look, I'm going to share some. Put it here. Here. Okay, guys. So I do it, guys. Look at this. And I'm going to take some of the veggies. This is my finished product, and she's going to taste. Okay, guys. And this is my finished product. Okay, guys. So you can try it at home. She's going to taste it now. And then close off.
Excuse.
Start now.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope all is well. Good morning, good evening,
Tell her
good
to taste and
night.
if you turn.
Whichever time you're watching this video, I am the daughter and I'm gonna taste my mom's cooking. She prepared rice and peas with vegetable and saltfish. So I'm gonna dive in and let you all know how it is tasting and what's it like. Forgive me, guys. I'm not feeling well, but I'm still doing the testing. Okay, guys. I'll let you guys know. So this is what she prepared. Yeah. Yes, guys, it's good. You can taste the coconut, and the texture is good. The rice is good. Everything about it is good. However you prepare it, I know some people like the shelly rice. I am that person. But otherwise it's okay. Taste is okay. I love it. I'm gonna finish the rest later on. And it's good. I give her 10 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, guys. We have come to the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and leave out and turn on your notification bell. Until then, guys, catch you in the next video.